All right, fourth part here. We're getting her done. We got about 4 coats of it's good and dry right now too, but got about 4 coats of PVA on here. We're going to keep putting it on till we can see it good and green. You can see the heavier spots look pretty good. It looks pretty good, but I just want to make sure, because like I said, this might be the only crack we get at this. I did drill 4 holes, 5 holes, 5 or 6. There's one there, and there's one there. So 6 holes, and filled them all with clay, and then started putting the PVA on. Right now, the other one I've already got it. It's already filled up, kicked off. We use the JB Quick. So let's get a light and see what we got going here. I went ahead and glued it all up. We've gone ahead and taken the orange paint marker. Come on, you little son of a gunski, you. Here we go. And now what I'm going to do is take the dental pick and scribe. I put the orange paint on there, paint stick on there, so I can scribe it. And then, yeah, we can from there we can go ahead and start hogging it out. This is going to be our one option. That's the new reed cage, the new development reed cage, and the new development, one of the 2 new development stuffers. I've already filled it, so yeah, we're going to go ahead and see if we can get this one worked up for the 40. Okay, so that's it. We've gone ahead and scribed the line all the way around there. So let's go ahead and take it out real fast and see what we got going on. Now, the reason this thing is a little off center is because I made this intake. I didn't put it in the center. Obviously, it was obviously off to one side. This doesn't look too bad right here. It is, but when we get this off and you get a good look at it, you'll see how far off center that thing is. I know my hands are in the way. I'm trying to stay as far out of the way as possible here. I'm looking forward to getting this part of this thing done, man, and moving on. I'll show you a little more of this stuff here in just a minute. The part of the aluminum seat. This is the chain guard that protects the water, keeps the water line away from the chain. It's down in its own little channel. It's actually a trick little piece, man. But this isn't no Yama dog. This isn't no 100cc 90-mile-an-hour go-kart. You know, you start building big, fast go-karts, like heavy, fast go-karts like these in the B-stocks, and they're harder to drive because they're going faster. They're going a lot faster than a 100cc kart. So, and they're a lot heavier. The G-loads are more. There we go. We got one more. So it's hard to get. You got to have the form-fitted seat, and so I'm him and hawing on the phone with one of the boys here a little while ago, and says, you know what, ain't no two ways around it. Gonna have to try as hard as we can, as best we can, to get that seat form in a position of getting a seat out of it. So there you go. Here we go, folks. We'll take this. Come on up out of here. We'll take this over to the bench, and we'll put you back up on your perch here. How you doing? And we'll see if we can't get this thing out of here. you see what's going on. It's that scribe line takes you relatively close here, piece of cake, but out here we're all the way past the plastic of the stuffer itself, right? Just keep your eye on that. We'll walk you over here and we'll show you what we're looking at. Right, you see what's going on here. And it's gonna come right to the edge of this here. That's why filling the voids was necessary, because I think we're gonna bust into it a bit. What we'll do is go 90 degrees to the hole and open it up first, and then take a look at what we got. It won't be as swoopy and clean and nice as it would have been with the RVS, the split reed cage. That piece was just very thin through here, and you can see this one will be as well. It's pretty close, and if we hog this thing open, we might be right into the top of the screws and everything, man. I hate to say it, but we do have this one that will go in this same reed cage. We may have to run the 30mm carburetor down it. We're not out of the woods yet, but we're going to keep working on. We'll go ahead and work on this one first. If that don't work, then we'll have this as a backup. I'm more confident about this than I am of that other one. So at least this way here, I don't have to have two different stuffers for the same reed cage. If we're going to run 30, we'll run this cage with this stock standard stuffer for 30mm if this one doesn't work out, and then we'll have that one for this reed cage for the 40mm for the bigger one. So that actually works out a little better. It's always nice to have, if you're going to put a different carburetor, you're going to try a different carburetor, you try one that has all the same settings in it, you know what I mean? And this whole headache might end up being a blessing in disguise. And it wouldn't surprise me, because everything happens for a reason. Hang in there, y'all. We're going to get busy here. Thanks for the prayers. It's obviously working. I'm feeling better already.